In today's video, I'll show you how to collect ACH payments using Jotform. This setup is simple, secure, and incredibly useful for businesses that want to accept bank payments without any complications. Let's get started. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Jotform. Once you land on the home page, log into your account. If you are new to Jotform, creating an account only takes a moment and gives you full access to the form builder. After logging in, head into the form builder and choose Square as your payment option. Square's ACH integration allows Jotform to connect directly to your Square account so you can accept bank payments smoothly and securely. Now log into your Square account when prompted. This step links Square to your form and ensures your ACH transactions process correctly. Once you are connected, you will see the payment settings. Set your business location, confirm your currency, and choose the type of payment you want to collect, whether it is for products, services, or donations. Next, begin adding form fields using Jotform's simple drag and drop builder. Include product listings, pricing details, and customer information fields so buyers can complete the entire checkout process in one place. Once your structure is ready, customize the appearance. Adjust your colors, update fonts, and upload your logo to give your form a clean branded look that helps build trust with customers. When everything looks good, it is time to publish. You can embed the form on your website or share it using a direct link. Either option lets customers access your form instantly and complete ACH payments without any confusion. And that is all you need to start collecting ACH payments through Jotform and Square. It is efficient, easy to set up, and designed to keep your payment process smooth for both you and your customers. Thanks for watching and happy form building.